How long will it take for my home to sell this summer? Well, if we look statistically, last time I checked on Realty, across Davidson County, it was 33 days. Across Williamson County, it was just about 35 days on average for homes to sell. But here's the reality. Some sell faster, some sell slower. So what do I recommend about all of that? How do you know what it's gonna take for your home to sell? So I look at three things. Usually three things weigh in on how fast your home is gonna sell. Number one is condition. It matters what condition your home is in. A couple years ago, it did not matter. You didn't have to do anything. You could just put your home on the market. There were so many buyers looking for homes. Now, you need to make sure that your house is in top condition, because when you get your home in top condition and it's paired with a really good marketing plan from your agent, then that means your home is going to sell quicker because it is more desirable. We are still seeing multiple offers with houses that are really, really well taken care of. They've done all the work to get them painted and ready to go. Number two is accessibility. Are buyers able to see your property? I know sometimes there's sellers who are like, well, I don't really want to have showings on Saturday, and I don't want to worry about having showings in the night because my kids need to go to sleep or something at 6 p.m. I don't know what that is. But, there are these inconveniences that as a seller, allowing your home to be accessible to more buyers, you have to take on the inconvenience of. The more buyers right now that see your house, the faster they will sell. One of the things that our team does is we call it a blitz open house, and that is holding your home open multiple times. It's like 6 hours over the first weekend to make sure the buyers can get in with no hassle, no appointment. They know it's available because we know it's important that buyers have accessibility to your house. And number three is pricing. We've had conversations with sellers who are like, well, this is what I want my home to be worth. And why don't you just put it up like that? Well, the reality is that's going to cost you time on the market. It is going to be slower to sell your house. And the second you cross over the average days on market, buyers will think that there is something wrong with your house and they are not going to be willing to pay as much as when the house was new on the market, which is why getting the price right when you first hit the market is crucial. We tell people all the time, you can't underprice a well-marketed home, but you can overprice it. Buyers will always be willing to get into a bidding war with each other and go over asking, but often they will not offer less than the asking price until the house has been sitting there for a long time. And that's how you end up selling for less money. So if speed is important to you and not having a lot of inconvenience is important to you, then you want to sell as quickly as possible, which means you need to make sure you're solid on your condition. Make sure that the house is accessible to buyers when they want to see it. And number three, that it is priced according to the market, not underpriced, definitely not overpriced, priced at or just ahead of the market. That's going to get your home sold under 30 days.